Hello, natural beauty lovers. Welcome back to my cosmetic school. Today's soap smells like summer, ocean, and coconut. In this recipe, the water has been replaced by coconut milk. If you are not an experienced soap maker, don't ever do this. Make sure you measure your lye first, and then you create your lye solution by adding the sodium hydroxide to your liquid, which could be water or milk. Now let's start with the funny part. So this soap is 100% coconut oil, and now I'm adding the lye solution, which is coconut milk. As you know already, there is an entire guide that will teach you how to make this product. It's available at madecosmetics.com or at the Otobale Cosmetics School online library. As you know, this is part of our summer fruity soaps project, and download your guide. Make sure you follow all the instructions before you start making this product. So in this part, I'm splitting the soaps in different parts so I can add the colors and create the ocean waves you've seen in the beginning. And also I'm gonna add a little bit of oatmeal to create the sand effect. This will be the first layer of the soap, and as I said to you before, I'm using oatmeal to create a sand effect, to create the beach kind of effect. Just adding coconut fragrance oil. I've chosen these colors to create the waves, the water on the beach, and also a little bit of sky. So I've used white, green, a darker blue, and a lighter blue. and that's why you should never make a soap without a proper protection. Just speeding up so the video doesn't become extremely long. So basically I'm just mixing the colors, make sure they're well mixed, add a little bit more fragrance because I wasn't feeling anything. Then I've just put everything to the on the mold, you know, the layers, different colors together just to create the waves, and then the lighter blue on the top just to imitate the sky. And now the final touch, my coconut soap dough. So I haven't shown you a video where I made these. I might upload it later, I don't know. But I'm basically adding a little bit of real coconut, and I'm gonna add on the top this coconut soap mold that I've made before, so I can use them in this soap. And yeah, so these are the coconut and the leaves, so something like the leaves. I have another video in this channel where you can see how to make a soap dough. They're really funny to make. You can be as creative as possible, and you know, they give a final touch to your soap, to the decoration side, and you know, use it, enjoy it. Guys, thank you for watching. This is the final result, my coconut ocean soap. I don't even know how to call it. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget there's a complete guide to teach you how to make this product available at amircosmetics.com. See you in the next video.